Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at an application to measure the amount of airborne dust using the PIC16F18146 family of microcontrollers. Alternatively, the PIC16F17146 family of microcontrollers can also be used in this application with some changes to the device target files. Source code and documentation for this example are available in the video description. To start implementing this application, first we need a way to measure the dust. We use a sharp infrared dust sensor. This sensor requires us to provide a pulse width modulated, or PWM, signal that drives the infrared LEDs inside of the device. The IR LEDs emit light that normally misses the light sensor. When dust is present, however, some of the light is scattered by particles and reflects into the sensor. This in turn changes the output voltage. On the microcontroller side, this application uses a 16-bit PWM, a timer 2, an EUSART, and an analog to digital converter with computation, or ADCC. The PWM peripheral generates the output signal to drive the IR LEDs, while timer 2 is used to generate the timing signal that triggers the ADCC. Data is sent from the microcontroller to a serial terminal, such as MPLAB Data Visualizer, via the EUSART peripheral. The demo shown in this video can be created with only a few parts. You'll need a Curiosity Development Board DM164137, a PIC16F18146, a ProtoClick available from Microelectronica, wire, and the sharp dust sensor with a connector cable and the required parts. Adafruit sells the sensor with a cable and the resistor and capacitor needed for implementation. Next, assemble the following circuit on your ProtoClick. This is what our implemented version looks like, but yours may look different. Next, with the power off, insert the PIC16F18146 in the DIP socket of the Curiosity Evaluation Board. Pay attention to line up pin 1 with the identifier on the board. Then insert your ProtoClick into the microbus header. Using a piece of wire, connect pin RB7 to the TX line on the Curiosity board. Finally, set the board for 5 volts by moving the jumper on the board. Now, you are ready to plug in the board. With a micro USB cable, connect to your computer and open MPLAB X. Download a copy of the source code from either Microchip Discover or GitHub. Unzip the folder and open it in MPLAB X. Since I'm using the PIC16F17146 instead of the PIC16F18146, I will change the device target in MPLAB X to match. To program the device, press the microcontroller icon with the arrow facing inwards on the top toolbar. MPLAB X will prompt you to select a target device. Select the Curiosity Evaluation Kit and press OK. If this is your first programming run, then the firmware on the board may be upgraded. Afterwards, programming will complete. To open the serial terminal, click on the Data Visualizer icon in the toolbar. Select the COM port and press the play button. Then, on the serial terminal, select the COM port as the data source. If everything worked as planned, serial data should start appearing in the terminal window. As a quick demonstration of the sensor, I blew into the sensor directly to show the dust level changing. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe. For more information about this demo, links are in the video description.